Renault has just unveiled a game changer. The 2025 Renault Rafale is here, and it's nothing like we've seen from the brand before. A sleek coupe SUV designed with aviation-inspired styling, a high-tech interior, and a powerful hybrid system. But here's the real question. Does it have what it takes to challenge premium SUVs like the BMW X4 and Volkswagen ID.5? Is Renault stepping up to a whole new level? Or is this just another SUV lost in the crowd? Stick around because we're breaking down everything you need to know. The Rafale isn't just another Renault. It's the company's new flagship SUV built to make a bold statement. Renault has been pushing the boundaries with its design language, and this model is no exception. It takes inspiration from the brand's aviation heritage, even borrowing its name from the legendary Dassault Rafale fighter jet. But what does that mean for you as a driver? It means a car that's designed to slice through the air with efficiency and elegance while delivering a premium driving experience. One look at the exterior, and you can tell Renault isn't playing it safe. The Rafale features an aggressive, coupe-like silhouette that's becoming increasingly popular in the SUV world. It measures 4.71 meters in length, making it slightly longer than a BMW X4 but with a lower, more aerodynamic stance. The front is dominated by Renault's new illuminated logo, sitting within a bold, sculpted grille. The signature LED headlights, designed in a sharp, futuristic style, integrate seamlessly with the front end. At the rear, the ultra-slim taillights stretch across the width of the car, emphasizing its wide and planted look. The Rafale rides on large alloy wheels, available in sizes up to 20 inches, further enhancing its sporty appearance. Renault has also introduced unique paint options, including a striking Satin Blue finish, which was first showcased at its debut. Step inside and the aviation theme continues. The cockpit is designed to feel like a high-tech control center, wrapping around the driver with a mix of premium materials and cutting-edge technology. Front and center is Renault's latest OpenR infotainment system, featuring a massive 12-inch vertical touchscreen, alongside a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster. This system is powered by Google software, meaning you get built-in Google Maps, voice assistant, and app compatibility. But Renault didn't stop there. The Rafale also includes a customizable heads-up display, keeping important driving information in your line of sight. The seats are crafted with high-quality materials, and in the top-spec Esprit Alpine trim, you get Alcantara upholstery with blue stitching, reinforcing the sporty character. The rear passengers aren't left out either. Thanks to the Rafale's stretched wheelbase, there's plenty of legroom, and Renault has even added innovative fold-out device stands for passengers to use their tablets or smartphones on the go. Under the hood, the Rafale is powered by Renault's advanced E-Tech hybrid system. The base model features a 1.2-liter, 3-cylinder turbocharged petrol engine combined with 2 electric motors, delivering a total of 200 horsepower. This setup ensures excellent fuel efficiency, with Renault claiming an impressive 60 miles per gallon. But for those craving more power, Renault has confirmed a plug-in hybrid version will follow, featuring the same 1.2-liter engine but with 3 electric motors, boosting the total output to 300 horsepower. This variant will also include an all-wheel drive system on 4-wheel steering, promising improved handling and stability. It's expected to have an electric-only range of around 60 miles, making it perfect for city commutes without using a drop of fuel. Renault has packed the Rafale with cutting-edge safety and driver assistance technologies. It includes 32 advanced driver aids such as adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, traffic sign recognition, and emergency braking. The SUV is also capable of over-the-air updates, ensuring its software remains up to date without requiring a visit to the dealership. So, what about pricing? While official figures haven't been released yet, the Rafale is expected to start around £50,000, with higher trims pushing closer to £60,000. That puts it directly in competition with the Peugeot 408, Volkswagen ID.5, and even the BMW X4. But does it offer better value? Well, Renault is aiming to deliver a premium experience at a more affordable price point than its German rivals. With its bold design, high-tech features, and efficient hybrid powertrain, the Rafale certainly makes a strong case for itself. Renault has taken a huge leap with the Rafale, proving that it's ready to play in the premium SUV market. But is this enough to sway buyers away from established luxury brands? What do you think? Does the Rafale have what it takes to be a true game changer? Drop your thoughts in the comments below.